Introducing your potential new home at 1488 Boulder Creek Street Southeast in Salem, Oregon. Step inside this charming single-level abode that blends comfort with elegance, featuring vaulted ceilings and a seamless open floor plan. Recently enhanced with a brand new roof, fresh paint, and stylish flooring updates ranging from sleek laminate to cozy carpet, every corner of this home is crafted for contemporary living. Equipped with efficient gas heating, central air conditioning, an underground sprinkler system, and a fully fenced backyard, it's perfect for both relaxation and entertaining. Its superb location puts you within easy reach of schools, parks, and shopping, ensuring convenience is at your doorstep. This inviting home is move-in ready and awaiting its new owner. It won't be available for long, so let's make it yours today. Contact Sandy Elwood at 503-881-5226 for a tour.